We are about to witness one of the greatest revolutions in the drone market, the launch of the Insta360 Antigravity. It won't be just another new model, it will be a true game changer, a device that promises to transform the way we capture aerial footage. With it, the 360 world is no longer just a feature, it becomes the very heart of the experience. Imagine capturing everything around you, with no blind spots, total creative freedom, and then deciding exactly which angle to show. The anti-gravity brings a concept so bold that it could rewrite the rules of this industry. And from this point on, things will never be the same again. The name anti-gravity was a brilliant marketing move, as if the famous Insta360 cameras had broken free from the force of gravity and gained the power to fly, completely changing the concept of aerial image capture, offering more freedom to control the viewing angle in any direction. This will allow the pilot to make the most of the flight, without worrying about adjusting the gimbal to keep the scene framed, since that can be done later, during video editing. But what exactly makes the Insta360 Antigravity so special? To begin with, it won't just be a drone, it will be a complete creative capture platform. Its 360 degrees camera will record absolutely everything around it, meaning there's no longer any risk of missing that once-in-a-lifetime moment, because everything will be captured, from every angle, all the time. On top of that, the onboard technology is on another level. We're talking about advanced stabilization, with artificial intelligence capable of tracking subjects with surgical precision. And the most incredible part, all of this comes in a lightweight, compact, and agile design. The Insta360 Antigravity won't just be a step forward in evolution, it will be a giant leap in the concept of future drones, as it could finally bury the need for a gimbal. This is an aspect not being widely discussed, but it's where the true revolution of this drone lies. Its 360 camera will replace image stabilization and framing with many advantages. The gimbal is a necessary evil, a complex piece of equipment designed to eliminate vibrations and instability in aerial footage, but it is heavy, fragile, and consumes a lot of power. Eliminating it will make drones lighter, more robust, and more efficient. Anti-gravity is not a drone, it's the name of a company that partnered with Insta360 to launch drones with spherical cameras. Most likely, Insta360 doesn't want to dive headfirst into this market, since other camera companies have already tried to go head-to-head with DJI and failed, as was the case with GoPro and its ill-fated Karma drone. It's possible that Insta360 found it wiser to simply provide the camera technology, while anti-gravity focuses on developing the drones. In fact, some leaks also suggest that the company is working on another model, a selfie drone-style device, very similar to the Rover Air X1. The latest leaks show images of this model undergoing field tests, and one detail really caught my attention. It features a controller similar to DJI's RC Motion. In fact, parts of this controller appear in the promotional video released on Anti-Gravity's channel. And the surprises didn't stop there. Another image also reveals that this drone will come with goggles similar to DJI's own. It's surprising that anti-gravity has evolved so much in such a short time, almost suspicious in fact. I suspect that DJI might also be secretly involved as a hidden sponsor of this project. After all, 3 years ago, Insta360 launched the Sphere project, a 360-degree camera created specifically to be mounted on the Air 2 drone. But that's a topic for another video. Anti-Gravity's latest post shows a short demo of 7 different viewing angles, with pre-programmed movements, all created from a single flight during post-production. It's simply incredible. I'm certain we're about to witness a revolution in how we capture and edit aerial footage, and we're only at the very beginning of this new era, as the possibilities are endless. Now, all that's left is to wait for the launch of this drone, but I'm very curious to see how DJI will react, and when they'll release their own 360 drone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.